Dance! Frankly, get out. Dance!
Casey and Vienna eating a rose today is extremely important. There are a couple of things that have just really blessed with mental durability, physical strength, and problem solving. And so if it falls into any of those three categories, I think I'll do well.
Not gonna be happy.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, crazy?
Come on, who doesn't love synchronized swimming, right? I don't know anyone that well, I hope you do love it, because that's how you're going to earn the rose today. All of you will be learning and performing a synchronized swimming routine in front of a panel of judges. They'll be judging on the following criteria: technical ability, effort, and most important, showmanship. The best man and the best woman will each get a rose today. Now, as you can see, this is not an individual sport. You'll be performing in groups. Guys, you'll be performing together. Ladies, you'll be performing together.
I think two girls have an advantage in this challenge, Melissa and Holly. They were both cheerleaders, and so a lot of it is really those strong
Avery.
moves.
The two lowest guys on the totem pole are Jake and myself. So the worst case scenario would be if Jake won the rose and I did, because that pretty much assures that I'm going home. Now, you're going to get a couple of hours to train.
Say bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Well, Grandma, kiss. Mwah.